Hey YouTube family and friends, welcome back to my channel for another video. So I am on my way to go get Romeo from school. I just left Walmart. I'm sorry if I'm kind of dark. I actually had to go to Walmart right quick because I needed to get a new blender, you guys. My blender burnt out today. I tried to make a smoothie, and when I put the jar onto the station, the blended, it would not turn, it would not do anything. It just was making noise. So my 10-year-old blender has blown on me. So you guys, my smoothie ingredients is still sitting in the container in the fridge waiting on me to mix it up. So if you want to see the unboxing of my new blender, stay tuned and keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back. So I just got back home from picking up the kids from school and getting from Walmart. So let me show you the blender that I invested in today. I ended up going with the Ninja. I got the Ninja Nutri-Blender Pro. So I wanted to get something good and that would give me a good blend of a good smoothie, and you know, more blendable, like everything blend up and smooth better, because this is I get good reviews on the Ninja, not this particular, but the Ninja brand in general, that the blades are really sharp and they really can get in and make a good smoothie. And this particular one, it does extractions, which is, I believe, juicing. It does smoothies, it does shakes, it does frozen drinks, and it does dressing and dips. So let's open this baby up and check it out. And the reason why I got it is because I was explaining to you guys, my blender that you see in all of my videos. Sorry if you see the ring light on the box. I'm trying to adjust the lighting. My blender that I always use in all of my videos, it actually is 10 years old because we got it for our wedding gift. And we've been married now for 10 years. So 10 years today, well, not today because it's not anniversary today, but today it decided to not work for me. Let me show you guys. I had my blender already prepared and ready to go this morning after I got off from work and after we dropped the kids to school. Everything ready to go to make a smoothie for us. And the blender, it would not spin, it would not do anything for me. So I ended up having to toss the base out, and now I got to get that ingredients out of the blender and try it out. So let me start opening this package up. Also, if you see that the quality is not so good, was it yesterday? Yesterday or the day before yesterday, I was getting out of the car to go inside to go to work, and my phone fell on the floor, and so my screen is kind of cracked. So I hope the quality of the video is not too bad. Hopefully soon I'll get it fixed or replaced. So I do have insurance on my phone. So if the quality is not so good, I'm sorry you guys ahead of time. Keep watching. In the box is a 16 ounce container, 500 ml, and also a 12 ounce container. And these are some interchangeable lids where you can actually just screw them on and you can drink your smoothie right out of here. Or I can just untwist this if I want to make a small drink instead of a big one, like one personal size something. Or if I want to do like the seasoning or something like that, I just put the blade on the smaller one. It just depends on what I want to use and what I want to do at the time being. So I'm going to go ahead and go off camera and wash all of the pieces and blend up my smoothie for you guys. Stay tuned. Alright everybody, I'm back. I took the ingredients out of my other blender container and put it in here. And I kind of had to take some out because it was over full. So I went ahead and plugged it up. I got to kind of get used to kind of measuring my ingredients now since I have a smaller container. I have to portion out better. So I'm going to press start to get it on. And come a little bit closer with the phone. And then I'm going to press smoothie. Well, I don't even know. I'm just assuming that's how it works. So let me go ahead and clamp this in place. I guess it just sits like that. Start.
Mommy.
Hold on, guys.
This money. Yay.
Oh, okay. So this is what you have to do. I should have read the directions, but I'm just trying to go with the flow. So you have to put it on. You have to level it with the these little things. You have to level it with the... Sorry guys. Dora, go sit down please. If you look inside, there's like little clamp holes in the blender base. You just level it in the base. You turn it. Now I just press, I believe I press... And it's like you can and basically it just counted down, you guys, for me. So it's already programmed with a time for the smoothie, and then it counts down as it blends it. So I'm gonna just press.
Hi guys.
I'm just gonna untwist it now and take it off, and I'll be right back. Alright you guys, I'm back. I got my cup. Y'all like my pretty cup I got? I got this from Walmart as well. And I'm gonna put up the price for the blender in my pretty cup, you guys. So let me open this up. Just gonna untwist it. And pour it out. It pours so smooth, you guys. Very, very, very smooth. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the rest of the fruits that I had and my vanilla milk. And I just have strawberries, blueberries, banana, green grapes, some chia and flax seeds, some vanilla milk, and I have some pineapple Greek yogurt that I'm using today, and some almonds. Those are my ingredients for my smoothie. And I'm going to just reclose this up. And I'm going to go ahead and put this back on here and clamp it in place, and then I'm going to press smoothie again. We got my little cool straw to match my cup, you guys. Alright, I stopped it because since there's not a lot in here, it doesn't need to be blended for that long. And I just got this little cup for Dora, if she wants some, because they're eating right now, so she might be full. So I'll just pour it in here. And it's still very smooth and creamy like. This thing blends very nicely, you guys. But on the blender cup, there is a max liquid range, so you have to stay under this range so it's not too overstuffed. Because when I first put all my ingredients in there, it was all the way to the top, and then when I put the container lid on to blend it, it was overflowing, so it was too full. So let's taste this smoothie and see how it is, guys. I am back. This is so pretty. So good. And it's very creamy. Very, very creamy. Very delicious. I've been waiting on this smoothie all day, you guys. I could have cried this morning when my blender broke. But I would say, using this Ninja blender for the first time, it's a good investment. I wanted to get a bigger one, but they're pricey, and I couldn't spend that type of money today. So good. So everything you see in the video today, from this pretty cup to this pretty metal straw, is actually food safe, environmental safe. I threw the package away earlier. I should have kept it. But it comes with another one, another pink straw, but it's straight up. And it comes with these two small ones, a curved one and a straight up one as well. And it comes with this little packaging. And the brand is TAU, Ta. And it's a traveling package. You can put your straws in and take it with you on the go. Because it's reusable and they're washable. And you can take these little these covers off as well before you clean them. And it also comes with this brush to clean your straws. So I thought that was a very good kit for less than $5. So that was very cool. And this cup was less than $3. I'm gonna put all the prices in the description box below, and also the price of the blender as well. And I got everything from Walmart. So I really hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have ever used the Ninja blender, and tell me what you think of them. And if you ever use any of these straws like this, tell me what you think about them. I think they're very cool. They're supposed to be very helpful in keeping with the environment, and also making it more, keeping down the waste because it's reusable. There's more that goes with it, but I cannot remember because I threw away the packaging. So if you haven't already, you guys, before you leave, please subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys on another video. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.